I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select a trigger, JetEngine. Choose a form. Choose a post type. Give here specific post type's meta key. Next. Search and select an action. Google Sheets. Give here the client ID and the client secret. So please visit the Google API console. How could you get the Google Sheets client ID and client secret? We have already created many videos. So, one of the video links will be given in the description and also in the I button. Paste here the client ID and client secret. Authorized it. Choose an account. Continue. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a spreadsheet. Choose a worksheet. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your post type and edit it. This integration will work when you log in as a user and then update that specific post type. Now give your requirement meta value in the JetEngine meta field, then update it. Now go to your Google Sheet. Here, the whole information came successfully in the Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.